Hi, I'm Jonathan Smith from Multiplex, and we're at Host showing the new Fresh Blender. Fresh Blender has an integrated ice maker making perfect nugget ice for blending. It has a unique central dispense area and shuttle, and it has onboard storage of ingredient where you can store up to 8 ingredients, allowing you to mix your perfect smoothie, frappe, lemonade, iced coffee, whatever it is you actually want to try. The machine also has a unique touch screen where it displays the products on offer. You can make your choice. All these wonderful different flavors that you can get, all from these ingredients that you've seen before. And you can even find out nutritional facts as you go along, making your choice, your allergen. You come back, you select your cup, you place your cup in the machine, and the Fresh Blender will do the rest. Every drink is made fresh, every drink is made to order, to your own order, and it'll be with you in about 30 seconds. So 30 seconds, there we have a beautiful frappe. As you can see, the Fresh Blender now cleans itself, ready for the next selection. So I'm going to enjoy my frappe, and for more information, contact Multiplex.